With the extensive lineup of male enhancement solutions available today, including erection pills, medications, adult rings, and even surgery, they say that there is no longer any reason for you to not enjoy sex and the abundant pleasure it brings. But contrary to that belief, at the end of the day, sex is still about how you feel and how rewarding your bedroom experience is with your partner. No pill or adult toy can replace real human emotions or directly replace them, so how do you truly enjoy sex and its numerous benefits? Foreplay is often highlighted as the main trick in getting pleased. There's couple massages, tickling, and fluttery kisses. But there's the main event, so here are other tips to make sex unforgettable for quite a long time. 1. Share fantasies. This simple exercise can serve as the best male enhancement for you. Communicate them with your lady love, and hear hers out. See how one fantasy leads to another, and then to actual action. 2. Plan romantic dates. This isn't just for those in the courtship stage, but also for those who want to keep the flame burning. Whether it's a late-night movie, workout bonding, or a simple home-cooked meal shared at home, these dates can be the shared pleasures that you need to spice up your libido or desire for each other. 3. Be spontaneous. Explore your partner's body in the bedroom, but find other areas in the house, or even your favorite public place, to make out and to initiate some XXX action. Make sure, though, to do it somewhere safe and where you won't be busted. 4. Be open about your sexual issues. Communication is key, so don't hesitate to open up with your partner about what you like, dislike, and would like to change in bed and in the lovemaking. Listen to her needs and preferences as well. Properly discussing these things will prevent future problems in sex from cropping up and messing with your relationship. 5. Innovate in bed and in the relationship. Play games, eat finger foods in a sensual way, sprinkle edibles on her chest and lick them off right there. Rediscover the perks of whipped cream. Be creative in unleashing your inner sexual beast. Use your sex smarts in giving your partner newfound ways to enjoy and be that sexy vixen you have always wanted. 6. Appreciate your girl. There is so much love and attractiveness in being thankful to your partner for her hard work, or simply for being herself. Appreciate the sexual enhancement positions she introduces, and be sincere about needing her and wanting to touch her in all the right places. You will be amazed at how positively appreciation impacts your sex life. Male enhancement techniques like erection pills, exercise, adult rings, and medication are wonderful interventions when used right and properly. However, hygiene comes first. Pay attention first to your penis hygiene before using ways to empower it and improve the quality of your erections. It is very crucial that you regularly wash your penis and the areas surrounding your genitals. This will keep it clean, healthy, and ready for steamy sexual action. Your partner will be as happy as you are. Be aware as well of not cleaning underneath your foreskin, a common male hygiene concern. Additionally, check for lumps in your testicles once a month, doing so after your shower or warm bath. Look for any sign of swelling or abnormality. Consult your doctor if you find one for proper diagnosis and treatment. Remember, basic hygiene can do wonders not only for your penis health but also your overall wellness.